Hi everyone. In this session, we'll discuss the applications of resonance effect. In last session, we have discussed about resonance effect or mesomeric effect with the classification and different examples. So we want to see that third session. Then I'm giving link in description box. Please watch that. So in applications of resonance effect, first one is reactivity. First one is reactivity. Here the reactivity of vinyl halides decreases. Reactivity of vinyl halides. Vinyl halides decreases due to resonance plus R effect. Plus R effect. Otherwise plus M effect. Why it is so means see here I am giving explanation CH2 double bond CH Cl I am writing here. See here if we break this bond, then it can be easily eliminated from this carbon, other group may attack here. If it is easy to replace this chlorine, then we can say its reactivity will be more. If it is somewhat difficult to break this bond means its reactivity is less. Here because of plus R effect, it is difficult to break this bond. Due to what? It is due to, again I am writing here, double bond character, double bond nature, otherwise double bond character or double bond nature here. See here on chlorine, 3 lone pair of electrons are present. So because of plus R nature, because this is the key atom, in last session we have discussed, on this key atom 3 lone pair of electrons are present, so that it is always acts as plus R. See this bond will shifted here, this bond shifted to this carbon. So here I am writing another resonance form, CH2, here negative charge, single bond, CH, double bond, Cl, here 2 lone pair of electrons, and chlorine will take positive charge. See, you can observe here, there will be some double bond nature. Because of this double bond, if single bond is present, it is somewhat easy to break. If double bond is present, it is somewhat difficult. Triple bond is present, it is very difficult to break. So that rate of reactions decreases from single bond to double bond to triple bond. Here it becomes a double bond. So in this way, we can expect reactivity of vinyl halides or decreases because of plus R effect. And here I am taking one more example, not related to this, but for only getting idea. Here it is ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride compared to ethyl chloride. Compared to ethyl chloride, vinyl chloride has less reactivity. Why it is so means here chlorine, here also lone pair of electrons are present, but these lone pair of electrons are not in conjugation with the double bond. There is no conjugated system, so that here plus R effect should not be considered. Here we have to consider only I effect, inductive effect. That too, which I effect? Minus I effect. Why it is so? Because chlorine is more electronegative atom. Because of more electronegative atom, it can attract the sigma electrons towards itself, so that it will take partially negative charge and carbon will take partially positive charge. So that here because of this partial charges, it is easy to participate in chemical reactions. So the rate of reaction increases due to minus effect, and this is due to polarity. This is due to polarity, reactivity increases. Same due to plus R effect, here also polarity is created, but because of this double bond, rate of reactions decreases. So here rate of reactions of, question may be like this, rate of reactions of vinyl halides or less, vinyl halides or less than alkyl halides, alkyl halides. Why? This is the question. For this answer is, for vinyl halides there is a plus R effect. Because of plus R effect, there will be double bond character between carbon and chlorine, so it is difficult to break. But here in ethyl chloride, because of minus I effect, there will be partially negative charge and partially positive charge is created on carbon atom, so that positive charged carbon can be easily attract negative charged group, that is nothing but nucleophile, and nucleophilic substituent reactions will be easy here. So So that rate of reactions are alkyl halides are more compared to vinyl halides. Otherwise, the rate of reactions of vinyl halides are less compared to alkyl halides due to plus R effect or due to minus I effect. Based on given options, you can select. Sometimes options may be with respect to ethyl chloride. Sometimes options may be with respect to vinyl halide. So this is about reactivity. Similarly, many times I observed one more question with respect to halobenzene. Halobenzene. See, here I am taking chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene reactivity also is towards the nucleophilic substitution reactions like chlorobenzene, otherwise bromobenzene or iodobenzene, any benzene, halobenzene. Halobenzene have less reactivity towards the nucleophilic substitution reactions. Nucleophilic substitution reactions. Why? Here also. Same reason. Here chlorobenzene I am taking chlorine. Here 3 lone pair of electrons are present. This bond is shifted here so that it will move from here to here. Only one resonance form writing. Here I need only one resonance form to explain why it has less reactivity. Positive charge on chlorine and here 2 lone pair of electrons, they are already present bonds. So here because of which effect plus R effect. Because of plus R effect of this chlorine, here there will be double bond. So because of double bond character, double bond nature, it has less reactivity towards the nucleophilic substitution reactions. Some more reasons also there. In alkyl halide chapter, in second year part, we will discuss. Here, as per resonance concept, this is enough. So this is about reactivity. Then next second application is the stability of intermediates. Stability of carbocations. Stability of carbocations and carbene ions. Carbene ions. This negatively charged ions. This is nothing but carbon positive charge. In inductive effect also we have discussed about applications of applications. In that applications we have discussed about stability of carbocations and carbene ions. Because of inductive effect, plus inductive effect, tertiary positive charged carbon. Otherwise, tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary is more stable than primary is more stable than tertiary. And in carbon ions, tertiary is less stable than secondary is less stable than primary is less stable than alkyl or methyl carbene ion. But here, this is applicable for aromatic nature. Because there should be conjugated system. In alkyl halides, otherwise the secondary, tertiary, and primary alkyl halides, alkyl carbocations, there is no any conjugated system. So that we have to consider plus I effect, otherwise minus I effect there. But here, because of conjugated system, we should take only like this explanation, like this example. See, this is carbon. On this carbon, there is a positive charge. This is called as benzyl carbocation. This is benzyl carbocation, C plus anhydride. Then here diphenyl anhydride. This is phenyl group. Other than this is phenyl group. So here I am taking one more benzene here, a carbon like this anhydride. Here CH carbon. This is the diphenyl carbocation. One more is the triphenyl anhydride here. Triphenyl. Here carbon, positive charge, one more carbon, one more benzene anhydride here, like this, then like this. This is the triphenyl carbocation. So because of resonance, see here more number of resonance forms. This positive charge is compensated by this side and also this side and also this side. Whenever charge species is produced, in previous sessions we have discussed, the formed charge species must be compensated because the charge on that particularly carbon atom must be nullified or decreased to zero side, decrease it to zero. More and more compensation means more stability, less compensation means less stability. Here only one phenyl ring is giving electrons to this positive charge, so that here it is stable but not more compared to this. Here two phenyl groups, because of positive charge, single bond, here double bond. Like this also we can expect conjugation and also resonance. Here three carbons. Similarly, see here if you write the order of stability, like this you can write. Because plus or effect, benzyl carbocation, then diphenyl, triphenyl. So plus or effect, plus or effect. Here this is here it is not plus or effect here minus, because from this carbon towards this carbon this pi electrons are coming, means the ring is deactivated but the carbon positive charge is stabilized, so that here plus R effect minus R effect increases from here as per this, from left to right, left to right. Similarly, here I am taking carbon ions, carbon ion stability. Carbon ion here also, first benzyl carbon ion, then diphenyl, after that triphenyl I am taking. Here, second example, benzyl carbon on this carbon negative charge. Then one more example, one more is CH, a negative charge like this. This is diphenyl. Then triphenyl, triphenyl like this. One more. This is triphenyl. Here negative charge. So these are the carbon ions. So here in this carbon ion, this negative charge must move towards either this side or this side and this side. So that it is here the negative charge is more and more compensated. So that here also triphenyl carbon ion is more stable than diphenyl, then benzyl. So for both order is same. For both order is same, but here minus, here plus, because the electron density is moving towards conjugated system. Electron density is moving towards conjugated system. Here electron density is coming towards group, that positive charge. So here minus R effect we can consider. Here plus R effect. Plus R effect increases from left to right. Left to right means from benzyl carbonate ion to triphenyl. Benzyl carbon ion to triphenyl carbon. So this is about stability, order of stability for carbocations and also carbon anions. Then one more very important thing is about dipole moment. Dipole moment values decreases. Here one same thing. Just now we have discussed about vinyl halide. That same thing, vinyl halide I am taking. I am giving explanation related to dipole moments. Dipole moment. Dipole moment of vinyl halide decreases. Dipole moment decreases. Otherwise, the vinyl halides are less compared to comparison questions they may give even in NEET examination compared to alkyl halide. Otherwise, ethyl halide. Ethyl halide. Why? See here I am writing CH2 double bond CH, here Cl, here chlorine on chlorine 3 lone pair of electrons are present. Here I am writing CH3 CH2 Cl. Here 3 lone pair of electrons are present, but here these lone pair of electrons are not in conjugation, because here only single bond is present. Here double bond is present. So that here we can expect a resonance effect. Here just inductive effect. Because of inductive effect, these bonded electrons are moving towards chlorine. So here dipole moment concept is nothing but movement of bonding electrons towards one side. So here both the bond moments are only one side bond moment is there, means there is a dipole moment which is not equal to 0. When this bond is moving towards this side, at the same time again from this side some more bond moment is towards the opposite side, means then there is a compensation. may, if these two are equal, it may becomes equal to 0. If these two are not equal, those two bond moments, because the dipole moment is vector quantity. In one direction it is positive, in opposite direction it is negative. So that there will be compensation takes place. If compensation is not there, means that there will be some dipole moment. See here there is no any compensation, only one side. So that here mu value is something. Mu value is something. And here because of this chlorine's more electronegativity, similar to that bonding electrons are moving towards this side, means chlorine side. So that due to this it has some bond movement. Some bond movement means for ethyl chloride the bond movement given is here 1.2.05 here, 2.05 D as per experimental findings I am taking. But here also same thing if you observe, only this much if you observe. Here also we have to expect 2.05 dBi units. But this is not there. This dipole moment decreases vinyl halide because of plus R effect, due to plus R effect, due to plus R effect. Here these electrons are again shifting toward this side. That means bonding electrons are moving toward this side. Means here first in the beginning the direction is towards chlorine side. Now the direction is from chlorine to carbon side. So that because of compensation, now bond movement instead of 2.05, it becomes 1.46 D, 1.45 D, mostly 1.45 D. So why dipole moment of vinyl halides are less compared to ethyl halide? This is the question. The reason is due to plus R effect here. Both side there is a bond moment. Here in the beginning this is moving towards this side because of plus I effect, because of minus I effect, because of more electronegativity of chlorine, here minus I effect, and because of plus R effect, again it is coming towards this side. So because of both the directions, bond moments are somewhat compensated. After compensation, we got 1.45 D. So this explanation also we have to remember. Dipole moments of vinyl halides are less compared to ethyl halides. Why it is so means it is plus R effect, and why it has more in ethyl chloride. This is ethyl chloride. Why in ethyl chloride is more? Because here only due to minus I effect, bonding the bonding electron pair or sigma bonding electron pair move towards chlorine side. So this is the important thing. Then you know plus R effect and plus otherwise R effect and I effect both are present. R effect, I effect. So among these two, which will dominate means R effect only. Even though it is plus R minus R, even though it is plus I minus I. If we compare resonance effect with inductive effect, resonance effect only dominated. It is only powerful than inductive effect. Because of that reason, here the bond moments are compensated. Because of that reason, instead of 2.05 D, here we are getting 1.45 D. So resonance effect is more powerful compared to which effect even next we'll discuss about hyperconjugation. Compared to hyperconjugation also it is more dominated, otherwise more powerful effect. This is about dipole moments. Then next application is related to acidic strength of aromatic carboxylic acids. Acidic strength of aromatic carboxylic acid and basic strength of aromatic amines, aromatic bases. Aromatic base means it is the amines only, anilines. So some brief explanation I give here for understanding next year. In some concepts are there in amines chapter and also carboxylic acids, phenols. There to understand those concepts clearly, here this information you need is basic you need. So here the acidity. So strength of acidic nature in carboxylic acid. There is the relative strength of aromatic carboxylic acids. Relative strength of aromatic carboxylic acid. Strength of aromatic carboxylic acids. Yes, there should be conjugation system. In normal aliphatic carboxylic acid, there is no any conjugated system. There only plus A effect we have to consider or minus A effect we have to consider. About that in first session we have discussed. Here this is Just I am taking carboxylic acid, C double bond O, OH. So this is acid. Why it is so means see here on this oxygen and hydrogen bond, this polar bond, and oxygen is more electronegative. Therefore, this electron pair is shifted to oxygen so that it is easy to replace H plus ion, and it forms a more stable identical resonance form, negative charge. It has two identical resonance forms, that this is more and more stable. It is more stable compared to this, so that it can easily lose its H plus ion. The compounds which produces H plus ions are nothing but acids. But this acidic nature increases or decreases in the presence of some groups. See, for example, here I am taking plus R. Plus R group is plus R nature is inversely proportional to acidic nature of aromatic carboxylic acids. Plus R is inversely proportional to acidic nature of aromatic carboxylic acid. See, here I am taking an example. Here electron density is more inside the benzene ring, and here C double bond O, OH we can write. For example, the group here, the group which is present, the group which is present on this benzene ring is plus R group. Plus R group minus R group, how we can distinguish? In previous class we have discussed. Here the group if contains lone pair of electron, means key atom particularly. The atom which is directly attached to conjugated system is called as key atom. That key atom if contain lone pair of electrons, means this group may be like OH group, or this group may be NH2 group, or this group may be OCH3 group, because here lone pair of electrons are present. So like these groups when present on benzene ring, then all these groups can donate electrons to ring. Ring is activated. When ring is activated, through this electrons are moving towards carboxylic acid framework. So through this, these electrons are moving towards oxygen. In previous class also I told, whenever on oxygen electron density increases, then this oxygen can hold hydrogen tightly. So due to here due to plus R nature, plus R effect, the oxygen of carboxylic acid, gets more electron density, gets more electron density, gets more electron density. Therefore, it can hold hydrogen tightly. When this hydrogen, means when this oxygen hold this hydrogen tightly, it is not easy to release. It is not easy to release means acidic nature decreases. So it can hold hydrogen tightly. Therefore, it is not easy to release as H plus ion. So that it is not strong acid. So due to plus R effect, Otherwise, these groups are ERG groups. Plus R groups, otherwise ERG groups. When plus R nature increases, acidic nature decreases. See, I am giving this order. Here I am writing one example. Here, this is the COH carboxylic acid, benzoic acid, we can say this. Benzoic acid. And give one number to this. Then, one more I am taking here. That is same thing, benzoic acid only. But here OCH3 I am writing. This is para-methoxy benzoic acid. Para-methoxy benzoic acid. Para-methoxy benzoic acid. And last one here, third one I am writing COH, but here I am writing NO2 group. This is the nitro para P nitrobenzoic acid. Para-nitrobenzoic acid. So here this is and then second, this is third. There are three different compounds given. So what is the order of acidic nature if they ask? What is the order of acidic nature? See, this is normal, just benzoic acid. There is no, excuse me, Dhruva. Okay, sorry for the disturbance. Here, this is benzoic acid, this is methoxybenzoic acid, and this is nitrobenzoic acid. If they ask order of acidic nature of these three, so this is just normal benzoic acid. There is no electron releasing group or electron withdrawing group. But here OCS group, here there is a lone pair of electron. Here nitro group. This nitro group is electron withdrawing group, and this nitrogen is K atom which is bonded to more electronegative atom. So that here electrons are moving towards NO2 group. Here electrons are moving to benzene ring. Here there is no attraction of electrons. There is no giving donation of electrons. Therefore, here acidic nature of this compound is very less compared to this. So here I am writing 3 is greater than 1 is greater than 2. Like this I am writing order. This is the decreasing order of acidic nature of these benzoic acids. Here in first no electron withdrawing nature, no electron donating nature. But here electron donating nature in this group. When electrons are donated to ring, through ring, these electrons are moving to carboxylic acid framework. On this oxygen, electron density increases so that this oxygen can hold hydrogen tightly, so that it is difficult to release H plus ion. So that second, sorry, second compound is weak acid. And here third compound NO2 group is present. NO2 group is electron withdrawing group. So all the electrons from benzene ring shifted to nitro group, and from here electrons are moving to ring. So that on this oxygen electron density decreases. So this oxygen cannot hold hydrogen tightly. So it can easily give this hydrogen. So that third is stronger than first is stronger than second. Like these questions they may ask. And with respect to particularly different groups in carboxylic acid chapter in second year, we will discuss that. So this is one example for acidic nature of aromatic carboxylic acid. Similarly, here relative strength of basic nature of amines, aromatic amines, basic nature of amines, relative strength of basic nature of amines. Relative strength of aromatic amines, basic nature of aromatic amines. So amine means like NH2 group must be present. It is nothing but aniline only. So there is a lone pair of electron. So any compound, if it contains lone pair of electron, it may donate this electron pair to other substances which are having electron deficiency. So that we can say these are bases. These are Lewis bases. Electron pair donors are nothing but Lewis bases. Electron pair acceptors are Lewis acids. These are electron pair donor. So these are bases. So this okay. This here aniline, because of plus R nature, what is happening we will discuss now. Plus R nature is directly proportional to basic nature of amines. Basic nature of amines. Here what we have discussed, plus R nature is inversely proportional to acidic nature of carboxylic acid. About the minus R nature, also I given some explanation. Here you can take this thing also. Minus R is directly proportional to acidic nature. Acidic nature. Here I given like this explanation about which one nitro group I given now. Here benzoic acid I have taken. But whenever electrons are moving from benzene ring to group, benzene ring to group. So electrons now shifted from this carboxylic acid framework to benzene ring, so that this oxygen gets less electron density, so that acidic nature decreases. That means we can follow this. We can expect plus minus R is directly proportional to acidic nature. So here arrow mark I written towards group. So electron density decreases, ring is deactivated, so that it requires electron density. That electron density taken from this carboxylic acid framework, so that on oxygen electron density decreases. So this oxygen cannot hold hydrogen tightly. So this example again, which example just now in the order, here if NO2 group is present, this NO2 group accept electrons from ring. So from carboxylic acid framework, electrons moving from the here to NO2 group. So that on oxygen electron density decreases, so that it is easy to release this hydrogen as H plus ion. So that it is strong. So minus R is directly proportional to acidic nature, plus R inversely proportional to acidic nature. Similarly, in basic nature, plus R is directly proportional to basic nature. Why it is so? See here, this is amine NH2. Here there are lone pair of electrons. Whenever the plus R group means the group which contain lone pair of electrons. General concept I am giving. Few exceptions are there in amine chapter. There we will see this group is plus R group. Plus R group otherwise called as ERG, electron releasing group. So what happens when electrons are moving towards the benzene ring? Ring is activated. Through ring, electrons are moving to this nitrogen. And nitrogen electron density increases. So here availability of electrons increases on nitrogen. When availability of electrons increases on nitrogen, so it is easy to donate this electron pair, so that basic nature increases. Similarly, basic nature is inversely proportional to minus R nature. Basic nature is inversely proportional to minus R. See here, benzene ring I am taking here NH2, this is aniline only. Here there is a one lone pair of electron. When through ring, electrons are moving towards group. Electrons are accepted by this group. Means this group is called as EWG, electron withdrawing group. Otherwise minus R group. It is minus R group. So electron density decreases in the ring. So ring is deactivated. So that this ring now requires electrons. Those electrons are from nitrogen. So this electron pair is now moving towards ring side. So that here availability of electrons decreases. Availability of electrons decreases. When availability of electrons decreases, what happens? Then it cannot donate this electron pair more to electron deficient compound. So availability of electrons decreases. Therefore, basic nature decreases. Therefore, basic nature decreases. So what we can write here? Like this statement, minus R is inversely proportional to basic nature. Minus R is inversely proportional to basic nature. Okay, this is the relation. Here also I am giving one example. Here I am writing three same groups I am taking directly. I am writing one example here. First I am taking NH2, here OCH3, because this resonance concept related to para position and also ortho position, but not related to meta position. Already in last previous session we have discussed. So that I am writing only para group compound. Then here NH2, nothing is there, and one more is here I am writing electron withdrawing group NO2. So here what is happening, because of this lone pair of electrons, this is the k atom. So lone pair of electrons represent means it can donate electrons to ring. So a ring is activated, so that on nitrogen availability of electrons increases, so that it can easily donate this electron pair. But here in this there is no electron withdrawing group, electron releasing group. Here which effect? Plus R effect. Here no plus R, no minus R, no plus R and no minus R. But here this nitrogen is electron withdrawing group. It can attract electrons from the ring. So that here minus R nature or minus M nature. So here electron density decreases. So whenever electrons are moving towards group, from nitrogen electrons are coming to ring. So here availability of electrons decreases. So that it is not easy to lose electrons or donate electron. Here I tell lengthy arrow, here just normal. So this is somewhat more. So what is the order of basic nature? This is weak than normal aniline without any plus R group, minus R group, and plus R group containing aniline is more and more stronger, because the plus R effect, more availability of electrons takes place on nitrogen, here less availability of electrons. So like these questions they may ask. They may give here 1, 2 like this representation in the question. And they ask what is the increasing order or what is the decreasing order of acidic nature. So what is the order of increasing order? Increasing order means first one must be less. Means 3 is less than, 2 is less than 1. This is the decreasing order. Increasing order of basic nature. Decreasing order means first we have to write 1. 1 is greater than, 2 is greater than 3. This is the decreasing order, otherwise descending. And this is ascending, otherwise increasing order. So like these questions they may give. 100% from basic nature of amines or acidic nature of carboxylic acids or alcohols, and acidic nature and basic nature of aliphatic amines and also carboxylic acid. 100% they give one question even in NEET examination or mains examinations. You have to practice more questions related to acidic nature or basic nature of different compounds, and their orders, order related questions only they give. Okay, this is about the which one, acidic nature and basic nature of different compounds. Then directive influence. Then directive influence of these groups. One more last application. This is there in hydrocarbon chapter in first year. Directing influence of different groups. Directive influence groups. Directive influence of the groups means if on benzene ring, if already one group present, is present. Generally in benzene ring related compounds, we have electrophilic characteristic reactions are electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions we have. So here electrophile attack. E plus means electrophile attack. So already this group directs some position to electrophile. Maybe it is ortho position, maybe it is meta position, maybe it is para position. So here this is nothing but directing influence of the group which is already present on benzene ring. So which groups directs ortho and para position, and which group directs meta position, that we'll discuss now. See here first I am taking one group which is plus R. Here I am taking plus R group. Plus R group means here I am taking aniline, otherwise phenol. Anyone you can take. Plus R group. Here there are lone pair of electrons. So when plus R groups are present, plus R groups, otherwise we can say ERG. ERG. Electron releasing groups if present. Here electron releasing groups if present. So ERG, otherwise plus R groups directs incoming electrophile. E plus means electrophile to ortho or para positions. Ortho and para positions. Therefore, plus R groups are electron releasing groups. Plus R groups or electron releasing groups are called as ortho or para directing groups. Para directing groups. Ortho and para directing groups. So this you have to remember. So directive influence of groups here, if the group already present on benzene ring is like ERG, electron releasing group or plus R group, then they direct incoming electrophile to ortho or para position. Therefore, plus R groups or electron releasing groups are called as ortho and para directing groups. See how it is I am giving here. So whenever if write resonance here OH group, here there are electron pairs. So these are plus R group. So that these electrons are coming towards the ring side clockwise. Here, whenever it comes here, this bond shifted from this carbon to this carbon. So here you can write one more resonance form like this. Here it gets the double bond character. Here hydrogen, positive charge. Then here negative charge. So electrophile. Here what is the charge of electrophile? Charge of electrophile is positive charge. So positive charged groups need negative charge for attacking. So that here negative charge is produced on which position? Ortho position. 1 comma 2 positions are ortho. 1 comma 3 positions are meta. 1 comma 4 positions are para. So that electrophile may come here. And in other resonance form, whenever this electron pair shifted here, these bonding electrons move here. So we get a Lewis bond. Here double bond OH, here positive charge. Then this is newly found bond because of this, and here because of this migration of these electrons, here negative charge. Again here already present bond. So now this is para position. Again para position here like ortho position, para position also now takes a negative charge. So that this electrophile may come here also. And in other resonance form, whenever it comes here, it will shifted to one more ortho. Two ortho positions we have. So negative charge now shifted to other ortho position. Here this carbon gets this carbon gets negative charge. Here double bond OH then positive charge like this. So if you observe here, roughly I am writing here OH group. So during this delocalization of bond, so negative charge is present on either ortho position or para position or ortho dash position. So that electrophile E plus may come to this ortho or this para or this ortho. Therefore, we can say any ERG, electron releasing group or plus R group if present on benzene ring, the incoming electrophile must be towards attack towards either ortho position or para position, other ortho position. So this is about directive influence. These are ortho and para directing groups. And at meta position, you can observe before resonance how many electrons are present. After that, also same number of electrons are present. There is no any change in number of electrons. So that meta position is not at all participated in resonance. Okay. Then one more application is with respect to EWG. If EWG exactly opposite to this, you can expect exactly opposite is this for directive influence. See, same thing I am writing here. Same like this only we can write resonance forms. But the only thing here is minus R group. Minus R groups. Minus R groups. Otherwise EWG, electron withdrawing groups. Directs incoming group. Incoming group is nothing but electrophile to meta position. But reason they ask why incoming electrophile is attacked towards meta position means reason is not with respect to meta position. Here reason is with respect to ortho and para positions only. So minus R groups or electron withdrawing groups directs incoming group, that is electrophile, to meta position due to decrease in electron density. Decrease in electron density. Decrease in electron density at ortho and para positions. Ortho and para positions. Maybe in the options they may give, because it is coming toward meta position, so that they may give increase in electron density at meta position, electrophile is coming to meta position. That is not correct. One of the options maybe it is, but what is the correct option? Electron withdrawing groups or minus R groups directs the incoming group or incoming electrophile to meta position. It is due to decrease in electron density at ortho and para. Otherwise, getting positive charge at ortho and para. So here, see, I am taking one example. Same thing, nitro group I am taking, otherwise C double bond O group I am taking. So this bond when shifted to oxygen, that is carbon electron density decreases, so that it is accepting these pi electrons which are present in benzene ring is towards itself. So here next form, if I write here negative charge, then this carbon will take positive charge. So this electrophile, positive charge electrophile will not come here. Why? Means positive charge and positive charge will get repulsion. So because of repulsion, so it will not come here. Then to compensate this, again this bond shifted to carbon. So all this due to resonance only. Here bond. This carbon now gets positive charge. Here as it is. Here O minus, then bond. Then this electrophile again will not come here. So at ortho and at para position, electron density decreases because of this positive charge. But at meta position, there is no change in electron density. But compared to these two positions, meta position has somewhat more electron density. Then next again it will come here. So here positive charge, here newly found bond, here bond, double bond, here O minus, then bond. So here also next ortho position also will take positive charge. So that if I write like this, in the presence of electron withdrawing group, C double bond O like these groups, here positive charge is present on ortho, para and one more ortho. So that incoming electrophile will not come here because of repulsions. It is not come here also. It is due to repulsions. Here also same thing. So it will come to this position. Why it is so means here positive charge. So that incoming electrophile attacked towards the meta position due to decrease in electron density at ortho and para positions. This is the reason. So this is about directive influence of ortho and directive influence of different groups, electron releasing groups or electron withdrawing groups. So this is about, these are about applications of resonance effect. So here next concept we have hyperconjugation, that we will discuss in next session. Okay, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.